50 CSE2A1S pipe bending machine, specially designed for bending rectangular tubes. Fully automatic CNC operation. Precise servo feeding. Automatic angle positioning and automatic bending. One-shot forming without wrinkling or deformation. The bending radius is full and smooth with no cross-section collapse. High bending accuracy and stable efficiency, easily meeting various rectangular tube bending requirements.